Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick video today for those of you who are looking to build in the near future and just a little bit confused about the difference between turnkey contracts and progress payment contracts. And now this is one of our most visited blogs on our website, so I know a lot of people are looking there for information. The difference basically comes down to when you hand over the money to the developer. With a turnkey contract, you typically put up a 10% deposit and the remaining 90% is paid once the house is consented and fully ready to move into. It's a nice and simple structure to pay, but can be a wee while before you need the mortgage. With a progress payment contract, you typically buy the section when it's ready to be bought, and as the build progresses, you make your payments to the builder. So when a concrete foundation is laid, the developer will send you an invoice and the bank will free up that money. It's not as complicated as it sounds. As long as that invoice matches the initial contract, then the bank frees it up within the day typically. Some of the pros of a turnkey contract are that there's no cost blowouts. You know exactly what you're going to buy with a turnkey contract. It's going to be $500,000. You put $50,000 down, and at the end of it, you pay $450,000 and move into your home. One of the cons of a turnkey contract is that if you get pre-approved, that pre-approval lasts for 12 months. If the build takes longer to do than 12 months, you may need to renew that finance approval. If something's changed in your financial situation, then this may put your mortgage in jeopardy and you'll need to find a way to sell that property before it's ready to settle. With a progress payment, obviously you settle on the section quite early, and so you know how that progress payment's going to look. Progress payments are also typically cheaper, and the reason for this is that you are paying the interest as the build gets completed. Your mortgage is there and you're paying interest on it. With a turnkey contract, obviously the builder has to raise funds to build the property, and so they put that into the contract. You'll often find that turnkey contracts are about $20,000 more than progress payment contracts, just for that exact reason. The builders have to fund it. Obviously, this means that if the build takes longer with a progress payment contract, the interest that you pay can mount up. You're still renting or living elsewhere, so the costs can be a little more than you expect. The total costs can be a little more than you expect. If you want to search for more of this information, just Google Mortgage Lab and then progress payments versus turnkey contracts, and you'll see our blog written there. Thanks.